Okay, these are the review videos for test 9, the test on integer exponents, exponent operations, scientific notation, and estimating square roots. We'll be taking this test on Friday. I gave the review as homework on Wednesday because I want you to have a chance to try these on your own, and then we'll go over them on Thursday, unless you're in pre-AP, in which case we're taking the LTF post-test on Thursday. So it's even more important that you work on these and watch the videos and to prepare for Friday's test. Okay, the first problem is 10 to the third. We know that means 10 times 10 times 10. So this is 100 times 10, or 1,000. 12 to the negative second power. Anytime we have a negative exponent, the first thing we need to do is rewrite this as 1 over 12 to the positive second power, which is 1 over 12 times 12. 12 times 12 is 144, so 1 over 144. Number 3, negative 6 to the negative third power. Same thing we did on the last one. We rewrite it as 1 over our base number. It just happens to be a negative number, but we just treat it the same. 1 over the base number to the positive third power. And then over here on the top, I'm going to figure out what negative 6 to the third power equals. We know it's negative 6 times itself 3 times. Negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And then we still need to multiply by negative 6. 36 times 6 is 216. And it will be negative 216 because a positive times a negative is a negative. So our final fraction would be negative 1 over 216. Number 4, 15 to the negative first power. Again, we rewrite that as 1 over 15 to the positive first power, which is just 1 over 15. 24 to the first power. This is just testing whether you remember that any number to the first power is just equal to the base number itself, so that's 24. And 10 to the negative fifth power, again, we need to rewrite it as 1 over 10 to the positive fifth power. The powers of 10 are easy because we can just write a 1 and that many zeros. 1 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 over 100,000. Problem 7 and 8 are both PEMDAS problems, so we always write PEMDAS. Circle the steps and number the steps. Parentheses is step 1, exponents is step 2, multiplication division is step 3, addition and subtraction is step 4. Looking at problem 7, we have parentheses, but there is nothing, there are no operations inside the parentheses. So we move to step 2, which is exponents. 7 to the 0 power is 1. So I'm just going to do one step at a time and then rewrite the equation, the expression I should say. And now we're still on step 2 because I have 10 to the negative second power as an exponent. I need to rewrite that as 1 over 10 to the positive second power. And I'm only doing one step at a time so I don't make any mistakes. We know 10 to the second power is 100, so this is 1 over 100. So we have 12 times 1 plus 1 100th. Now we're on step 3, multiplication and division. 12 times 1 is 12, plus 1 100th, which would just be 12 and 1 100th. Number 8, there are no parentheses, but there are lots of exponents. 10 squared is 10 times 10, so this is 100, minus 3 cubed, plus 4 squared over 144 to the 0 power. I'm going to do the next exponent I see as I look left to right, which is 3 cubed. That's 3 times 3 times 3, so 9 times 3, that's 27. So I have 100 minus 27 plus 4 squared over 144 to the 0 power. 4 squared is 4 times 4, that's 16. And 144 to the 0 power, any number to the 0 power is 1. 16 over 1 is 16 divided by 1 is just 16. So I have 100 minus 27 plus 16. Now we're on step 4, addition and subtraction. We do the first one we see, which is the subtraction. 100 minus 27 is 73, plus 16 gives us our final answer, 89. Okay, I'll pick up the review with problem 9 on the next video.